Even in today's video, we will see how to factory reset the HMD Vibe phone. Hard reset for forget pin, pattern, and password. Method 1. Factory reset through settings. So if you can access the phone normally, open the settings, tap system, and now select reset option. And tap erase all data. Now review the warning and tap erase all data. And enter your pin, password, or pattern if prompted. Now confirm the reset and wait for the phones to restart. Method 2. Hard reset using recovery mode. So use this method if the phone is locked or will not start properly. You can turn the HMD wipe completely off. Then press and hold volume up and power for about 30 seconds. And until the recovery menu appear, use the volume buttons to highlight wipe data factory reset. And press the power button to select it. And confirm factory reset. And after the reset finish, select reboot system. Goodbye and thanks for watching.